Hi everyone, I'm Chanel from Stampin Stilettos and I'm here with a great giveaway. Now, this is going to replace what used to be my weekly giveaways. These will just be random giveaways, and some will be have a week duration, some will be in the month. They'll just be random ones because I found it quite hard to keep up with the weekly ones with my other schedules that I have going on. So we're just going to call these my giveaways. So I have promised you a really good giveaway, and this is what this is here. Look at all these goodies that I have to give away. Now, you all know I've been sorting out my craft room. I have found so much stuff. So some of this is from my craft stash, and some little bits I've brought for the giveaway. So this is a really good one for scrapbooking, for your card making, anything really. So let me show you what we have here. So I'm going to push these all to one side and get them out of the shop so you can see what we have. Now, we have some gorgeous paper flowers. These are just super cute for, you know, scrapbooking or for card making. So we have, I think, 4 of these gorgeous flowers. Now, I also have some of these button, these paper craft flower. I can grab them. Paper craft flowers with buttons on. Again, these are super cute for scrapbooking, card making, embellishments, etc. So we'll put them there. Now, I have some of these corrugated tags, and you've just got to add your own ribbon or, you know, thread to them. Again, good for gifts. So these are some corrugated tags. Oh, I found another button flower, so there's another one of those. I found this little pack of just little bits. There's a couple of brads in there, and just a little bit of thread and some little buttons. So that's just a little baggie of odds there. Then I have, now I'm not sure if you can still find some use for these, but these are the little calendar things to put on cards. Now, I know we're in March tomorrow, but you could probably still make some little calendar cards or calendar, you know, the little ones that stand up. I just had a stash of them that I never got to use. So, you know, if you can't use them, then not to worry. I mean, these just give me an idea then. OMG, I could put them in one of these in my planner. They would stick in really cool, actually. Oh, that's a good idea. Right, okay, I will still give you 4 because I still have some more downstairs. So there's 4 of those. We have a gorgeous stamp. As I am going through my gorgeous phase at the moment, I went and bought you a stamp to add to this giveaway. She's so cute. So that's one of the gorgeous mini stamps. Now, I had loads and loads of this Diamante mesh. This is great. Again, card making, you can cut thinner strips, so it's just one row. So we have some silver, some red. Look how lush this is. Look at that. Just gorgeous. Some pinky, purpley, and some other oddments here. One's a pearl, sort of like a pearl. Then we have gold and some silver sparklers and some more gold. So we have those there. I found a new washi tape. This is a silver washi. I'm also including one of my little mini albums that I've made. Now this one I haven't decorated, so I've left this for whoever wins this to decorate yourself. So it does have some mats in there, but you can decorate them how you like. So we have one of those. I also have a pack of these gorgeous tassels. How cute are they? They're just gorgeous. Oh, I found a little stamp block that I've never used, which I'll include that. Oh, we have some more like die cut tags, sentiments, just some little bits and pieces here. With love, make a wish, just a few little bits here. You just need to put some ribbon or string on them, so there's a whole handful of those. Now, I don't know what you would do with these, but these little flower embellishments, I've never used them, don't know if I will, but they're little jingly bells, so maybe you could put them in a shaker card or something. So there's a pack of those. Now, I've been using a lot of post-it notes to put in my journals and planners, and I saw these little cutesy ones today in the works. So I got myself a pack and I got you a pack. Look how cute they are. Look, the little puss cat there, and the little sheep, monkey, skunk. Oh, I don't know what that one is. That's not koala, is it? Yeah, koala. Giraffe, fox, panda. But they are really cute. And then we have some more post-it notes here with these little sayings on as well. Now, let me think. Is there anything else I could add in there while I look around? Ooh, I'm sure I'll be able to find... Oh, I know what I could have added in there for you if I could find them. Where I've put them. I have. Wait a minute. I'll be back. Okay. I found a big stash of these paper bag things, and these are so cool to put in your journals, your planners. So what I'm going to do, let me grab a handful. I'm going to include some of these little bags. Now, I probably won't give you these crumpled up ones. Let's see if we can find some that are not crumpled. That's better. There you go. Let's give you a couple of these. So I'm going to include some of these little bags because these are handy if you've been watching my other videos, to stick in your planners, to use as a pocket. These are a little bit ripped actually, so what I will do, I will try and find some that are not got that on. Let me have a look. We will find you some, so we'll include some of those bags in there as well. Okay, I have found some that are not ripped. They're just where they've come off the thing. So I'm going to include these ones here. So we have some bags as well. I'm sure we have other bits and pieces that I can include in the giveaway. I'm just looking around now to see if there's anything else at hand. I can't see anything at the moment, but I'm sure there will be more to add to this. So this is your giveaway for this week. And as you can see, lots and lots and lots and lots of goodies. Now, what you have to do to have a chance of winning this giveaway. Now, this is going to run until midnight on the 11th of March. So you've got the rest of this week and all of next week, and all you have to do is be a subscriber and leave a comment on this video or any of my videos, and you will be entered into the draw. Now, if you leave a comment on more than one video, you will get more than one entry, so more chances to be, to win these goodies. So thank you all for watching. I hope that you've enjoyed this video, and good luck everybody. Take care for now. Bye bye.